Today I'm going to talk about why you guys are seeing ads on my channel. Yet I didn't put them there. But first, let me get something to eat.
Hello?
Yeah, can I have one sausage McMuffin with egg meal? Have you guys got apple pie?
Yes, you do, but it's gonna take like 4 or 5 minutes.
Yeah, give me one. I.
The apple pie is still cooking, right?
Yeah.
So can you please borrow your spoon? Thank you.
Okay, let me just get this somewhere. So to qualify for the YouTube Partner Program, which is the YPP, there are 2 steps. Step 1 is getting 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours in at least 12 months. Just remember, 4,000 watch hours is not 4,000 views. Don't just mix that up. 4,000 watch hours is equivalent to 240,000 minutes. Step 2 for the other way is also getting 1,000 subscribers, and for shorts you need 10 million shorts within 90 days. Okay, it's a bit harsh, it's a bit hectic, but that's the way YouTube works. It is difficult to get, but obviously never give up. Okay, this is a good place to eat. McDonald's. I like McDonald's. Well, the breakfast McDonald's. Sausage McMuffin with egg. Love it, delicious. Looks good all around. That is great. I'm also so far from reaching my goals. I'm still trying. I'm trying out different stuff as well. Different videos, different takes, different types. But once you reach those goals, then you can apply for the YTT, the YouTube Partner Program. And then you can start using AdSense to place ads on your videos and start earning money from it. That question brings me to, why are you still seeing ads on my videos? If I quote from YouTube Help Center, YouTube can also place ads on videos in channels not in the YouTube Partner Program. Well, there is no other explanation, but that's in the agreement that YouTube creators agree with, basically. Onto the hash brown. I like how they make it, it's very crispy and delicious. So if you see ads on my channel, I think there was some insect. So if you see ads on my channel, I'm not getting paid for it. Just putting it out there. If you found this video informative, give it a like and also subscribe. I'll try and do more of these kind of videos. Try and go out to different places. There are some beautiful places out there. Cheers. Oh, and before you go, don't forget to let me know who else enjoys McDonald's apple pie. So delicious. Juicy on the inside. Now I have to clean the floor.